Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, when you have reached a certain stage in life and you have attained a certain age in life and you have also attained certain levels of achievement in life, then you have reached that point in life when you can afford yourself the luxury of just being yourself without feeling the need to pander to anybody, either friend or family or foe, etc. This is why people always like to sit with the elderly, because the elderly have reached that stage that they don't have any qualms anymore and they just tell you as it is from their own point of view. So guys, I bring you this. Obasanjo replies Tinubu Fayose over statement on Kashamu. So this is an ongoing battle. I did not do a video on Obasanjo's comment, but I think a lot of you would have already been aware of what Obasanjo said. But if you are not aware, it will be captured in the course of this video. But again, Obasanjo replies Tinubu Fayose over statement on Kashamu. So now let's now find out exactly what this beef is all about. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has responded to criticism over his condolence message to late Senator Buruji Kashamu. OBJ, shortly after Kashamu's demise last week, issued a condolence message disclosing that Kashamu was wanted in the United States for alleged drug offenses, adding that he was able to escape justice but could not evade death. Senator Esho Jinadu, that is Buruji Kashamu, I think that is his real name, Senator Esho Jinadu, that is IE, aka Buruji Kashamu, in his lifetime used the maneuver of law and politics to escape facing justice on alleged criminal offenses in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. But no legal, political, cultural, social, or even medicinal maneuver could stop the cold hand of death when the creator of all of us decides that the time is up. The statement did not go down with a lot of Nigerians who were very quick to condemn the former president for disrespecting the dead. Former Ekiti State Governor Ayo Fayose slammed OBJ via Twitter, stating that he, Obasanjo, should also remember that his own end will come too, and nobody knows how that end will be. National leader of the All Progressive Congress APC, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, also expressed responding to the criticism. Obasanjo, in an interview on Sunday, said, "As you know, I say my mind as truthfully as I know them and in line with my convictions. People are free to say whatever they want about my comment. I don't begrudge people for holding opinions on whatever I say or do. Let people say whatever they like when I transit. Now that I am alive, am I not being abused? Whenever I transit, let people say whatever they know or think about me. Let them say it as it is. What my maker thinks of me is what matters the most." So that is Obasanjo's response, of course, to all this now criticism of his comments on this Kashamu character who recently passed on. So now this is one of those funny ones. They say not to speak ill of somebody that has passed on, but then of course the sort of life that that person lived is going to be a determining factor in how he is remembered. And even though we are all broadly of that view, not to speak ill of somebody that has passed on, if that person has lived that much of a mess behind, then it is very difficult then to observed that idiom of not speaking ill of somebody that has demised. So a beef now between Obasanjo, Fayose, and Tinubu is a funny one. You'd never imagine Tinubu and Fayose on the same side, especially weighing against Obasanjo, but this is what we find in this particular scenario. What do you make of it? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done the clickings, come into the comment section, then come tell me then what you're making of Obasanjo's comment and the sort of the response that it has engendered. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation up with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.